Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to unstar a broadcast message on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on your broadcast to access the messages that were sent to multiple recipients. Step 3. Scroll through the broadcast messages and select the starred message. Simply tap on the message to highlight it. Step 4. At the top of the screen, you'll see a star icon. Tap on it to unstar the selected message. And there you have it. You've successfully unstarred a broadcast message on WhatsApp. This allows you to remove the star designation from a previously starred message. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.